All right, class. My name is Bolaji Johnson, and today I'll be um, taking you guys through another fantastic way of design today. And you're going to enjoy today's class because it's going to be, I'll be calling this class a barbecue class. All right. So I'm assuring you that at the end of this today's class, you will be eating a barbecue fish or a uh, barbecue tasty grilled fish or meat. All right, let's quickly go to what we are going to learn from today's class. Actually, my students actually did a design, and so I was so glad to see the design. But though I have to just chip in some professional advice after the design of one of my students. Immediately I saw the design, I decided to come up with this beautiful design of mine. Okay, this beautiful design, but it took me less than 3 to 4 minutes to come up with this beautiful design, and because of the lack of battery, my laptop battery, I was unable to come up with a better and fantastic design than this. But today, I'll be taking you guys to what we call a unique and luxury way of design. Luxury way of design in CorelDraw. So don't forget, I did this and this is beautiful as well, but I'll be taking you to another way of designing in a luxury manner. Alright, if you're just joining me for the first time in this class, I would like you to I would like you to encourage me by hitting the subscription or subscribe button, and also if you are new and you're my whole student, always click on the like button. This encourages me and also make YouTube to advertise my tutorial to every other platform. And don't forget to click on the notification button, and that is it. So this is how you come up with a very good and luxury design after you must have gotten your background. You have a lot of background here, so which you can choose, but I decided to choose this for my design and bring this up. Okay, then the next thing for us to do is to blend this over. I need to blend this over. So what you need to do is to go to your transparency, then click on the image, drag down. Okay, then bitmap it a bit, then click and make use of your transparency. Here you are fine. Okay, so next thing for us to do here is to bring the name of the company here. All right, you just want to make it as little as this. Okay, then every other content that is needed to be here, it has been done. So all I just need to do is to bring it here. Okay, so where we have to really work on make this look so luxury, make it look so luxurious, is the aspect of probably let me go back and spell this. Freshly grilled tasty barbecue. Alright, fish. Okay, so let me take it to the next page. Alright, so this is actually the way you can come up with a beautiful design that looks better than normal. All right, so this is the fish. I'd like you to be attentive in this class. All right, barbecue, which is the main thing. Then let's move here. Okay, so I think this is the concept I needed. Barbecue. All right. I have to break it into two. That is barbecue. Alright, barbecue. Then let me adjust it a bit. Let me adjust this a bit. Okay, so this particular cube, I'm going to break it again. Okay, let me bring this here. A big cube. This particular cube, I'm going to make it a capital letter. Then make it bigger. Okay, then let me turn this to a B. Okay, so hope you guys are learning. Then I need to make this look unique. Okay, then cut out this. Cut out this. Where they then trim it off. Okay. Then the fish can now come here. Then this will fit in here. So I need to use another font that I think is best for me. Okay. Okay. So just to fit in. Okay. All right. This is it. It is as simple as this. This is the best way you can design or make your design look so unique and luxury. Okay. So you will see the difference between the first design and my second design. This is very unique. It is as simple as that. So should I use this? No. Let me take it back to the normal one. And this can be bigger a bit. Okay. Alright. This is the end of our today's class. As you can see, this is actually different and more unique than this. So what do you see about this? What do you see about this? Let me see it in your in the comment section. What do you see about these two designs? And I'll be expecting your comments. This is just a little way I think I can teach you how to do a professional and more unique way of designing your project. Thank you all for attending my class. I'll be expecting you all in my next class. Bye for now. God bless you.